in this video, we demonstrate the modified Zuma, which is recommended for geotropic nystagmus that you observed in the roll test. I'm going to show you the modified Zuma for the right side. So the first thing you have them do is turn their head 45 degrees towards the unaffected side. And now, Melissa, I'm going to have you lie down on your right side. And you can bring your feet up on the table. And you maintain this position for 3 minutes, observing for nystagmus, asking about provocation of symptoms. Okay, Melissa, now what I want you to do is roll over onto your back, and you're going to be looking straight up at the ceiling. They also maintain this position for 3 minutes, observing for nystagmus, asking about symptoms. After the 3 minutes, you ask them to turn their head 90 degrees to the non-affected side. Can you now, Melissa, go ahead and turn your head? You maintain this position for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you ask them to tuck their chin. Yes, and then I'm going to help you sit up. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and let's sit up. Once they're up into sitting, you can bring the head into the neutral position. All right,